Hello, scholars. This is your sight word review video. I will be reviewing sight words from list A through C. We have already covered every sight word in class during our morning phonics time. So, this is a review to help you learn and remember those sight words. So, I'm going to start out by saying our little chant. Sight words, words we have to know. What are sight words? Words we have to know. So I'm going to spell and say the sight word, and when you see me point to the camera, you're going to spell and say the sight word as well. Okay, let's get started. Level A words. A. A is a letter, A is a word. I. I is a letter, I is a word. Am. At. Can. Go. Is. My. Me. SEEC. The. TO2. Up. We. Red. An. Level B words. Let's go. And. Do. Got. Had. Has. He. His. In. It. Like. Look. On. Come. Big. Blue. Bad. No. Mom. Dad. Level C words. ARER. Did. FOR. Get. Have. R-E, here. H-I-M, him. O-F, of. P-L-A-Y, play. S-A-I-D, said. S-H-E, she. W-I-L-L, will. Y-O-U-U. And that does it for our sight words for level A through C.